Okay, we're going to do the MD Solids part of 3.2.6, and we're going to have to use a couple of different parts of MD Solids. The first one we're going to use is section properties. So I'm going to click here on section properties, and I need to go across the top to find the kind of beam I want. We're going to look under standard, US customary designations, and that's where I find the W flange. And yours is probably when you first open it, you're going to be on one of these other ones. It's going to look all weird like this. You need to scroll down till you can find the size you want, which we were using a 12 by 16. I click on it, I click compute, and it puts all my dimensions in here. And over here it gives me all the dimensions I saw on my table along with elastic modulus. Now, the next thing we're going to do, and you're going to need to print this, and then the next thing we're going to need to do is go back to MD Solids or open another MD Solids, and we're going to do our determinate beam again. I'm going to click on it, and this is like what we did before, 18 foot long, feet, 18, enter. I need a load going down. I actually set this up earlier. I put in that my load is 1,000 pounds per foot. This is what we had for our first interior beam. And it gives me my shear and moment diagrams just like we saw before. So you need to print these. Then the other thing that this part will do is that if you go to options, you can also check on slope deflection diagrams. If it doesn't automatically pop up this window, you'll want to open it by going to options. Specify flexural stiffness. Now this tells you right here that you need to put in E times I, the flexural modulus, E times I. Well, those numbers are right here. Here's E, and here's the I we need right here. So I need to multiply this number times this number right here, and I have my calculator up. So this is my E from right here, and this is my I from right there. Hit enter, and here's the number I need to put in over here, 2987. I think I got the right number of zeros there. And this is in Kips per inch square. That is not what we need. This is in PSI, so I need to go to PSI. This is also currently in radians, and we want it to be in degrees, so you need to change that right there. And then this one can stay in feet. This is our slope diagram, and this is our deflection diagram, how much the beam is flexing. This is the two things along with these two shear and moment diagrams that you need in order to do part 2 on this activity. You'll need to repeat these parts with each one of the other beams that you did. That's all there is to this part. Thanks for watching.